Today I'll show you how can solve this problem. This is the a printer ink pad is at the end of the service lifetimes, so contact your Epsons. That's for we cannot print. So today we'll show how we can solve this. You can see this is the zip file. This zip file link I will put in my comments, in video comments. You download and just extract. Okay, I'm extract this link. Okay, zip file, and we find this new folder and go click this folder. You find this correct, you just click and run as administrator and press yes. Okay, after that you need to select the model and port on this printer. First we close this printer. We just select and choose the mode. You can use this model also. I'm choose this my model, and also port, use my port and press OK, and paste particular adjustment mode and choose in there. This message is water ink pad counter. Okay, this is the water ink pen counter. Just click settings, then you can choose the port and press OK, and from there we first need to check and initialization. First we close this message. We need to close, just not cancel. If we click the cancel, cannot cancel, we just need to click on close. We are close, and check main and pad counter and click on check. Just click and wait. Friends, first time if your message is not done and show the communication errors, maybe it's happened. If it happened, doesn't worry, need to again check. Okay, we are waiting for success message. We can see not responding. That means maybe first time cannot, sometime missing the communication error. You read this message, this is a communication error, you record like that. So we just press OK, read and press OK, and now again click and check, and you can see that is show successfully main and pad. That is 6507, and maximum can be possible 600 500, but this is over. Okay, we just again click main and pad counter and close, and just now press initializations and press OK. When the OK button is checked, initialization is done. Okay, we are press just OK, and now message is show, please turn off the printers. We have pressed the OK, and now first need to printer the OK printer manually need to turn off, and then press OK. Now I am manually physically turn on the printer, turn off the printer, turn on end. Okay, now we need to press the OK. We are press OK. After press OK, the message show the water ink pad counter has been initialized properly. Turn on the printers and click the check button of the click on the water ink pad counter value. Okay, we are need to open again the printer, turn on. Okay, I'm now turn on the printer. Take sometimes open for printers. After open, we are press the OK button. Okay, now we are press the OK, and again click on check. Friends, you can see this is the main pad check is maximum 600 and value is 0. That means our problem is solved. Now we can print very easy. We are just finish and press OK. We need to finish and close everything. Okay, we are cancel and close from upper, and close also everything. Just now open end page and click on Ctrl P for print. Where press Ctrl P for print, and click on custom and select 1-to-1 page and just press print. That means that this message is not show in there. That means our problem is solved. You can see print, waiting for printing. This is the show this message is printing. That means our problem is solved, and it can be possible to print. Friends, if you don't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the more technology video. You can see our documents is print successfully. Inshallah, we are see next time. Thanks for watching again.